This is text 3 of chapter 30, 10th canto. Kati smita prekshana bhashanadishu priya priyasya pratiruda murtaya asavaham twit yavalastaratmikan yavedishu krishna vihara vibrame. Translation. Well, this time we have been reading this from this BBT translation. Now we'll read from the Krishna book, Srila Prabhupada's translation of this verse number 3. Being so very much attracted to Krishna, the gopis begin to imitate Krishna's dancing, Krishna's walking, and Krishna's smiling as if they themselves were Krishna. Due to Krishna's absence, all the gopis become crazy. Each one of them begins to tell the others that I am Krishna himself. So this is Prabhupada's translation. And a couple of words. And this verse describes how the gopis are experiencing qualitative oneness with Krishna, tadatmika, and at the same time they're experiencing their quantitative difference. Because in one line they say, it says atmika. First line says priya priyasya. So priya priyasya means difference. So there's the priya gopis and priyaji Radha and priyatam. So next verse they say tatatmika, which means there's no difference. I am that, I am he, I am Krishna. So there are both things going on. Qualitative oneness, at the same time they experience quantitative difference. Lord Chaitanya's philosophy is indicated in this concept of priya priyasya. Simultaneously, achintya beta beta tattva, simultaneous oneness and difference. Thus Shukamuni says that this whole beautiful pastime all means vibram. It's a case of mistaken identity. This whole pastime of the gopis searching for Krishna, he uses the word vibram, which means bewilderment, which means a case of mistaken identity. So by exhibiting Krishna's movements and smiles and glances and amorous gestures, the bodies of the Prayasi gopis become just like their beloved Priyatam. Fully absorbed in Krishna, the Braja gopis, Braja-ramanis, they declare, I am Krishna. So this is the conclusion of our discussion of verse 3. And tomorrow, by the mercy of Krishna and Guru, we'll speak on verse 4.